Good evening, all of you. We went live just an hour back, and we were, at our website, a lot of traffic was there. We're getting close to 5,000 hits every minute. So, yeah, it normally happens. Like CAT official response sheet, it came out today itself, and after that, our tech team was dedicatedly doing this, and now we are here. Now it's okay, Sunil. Hi. So now it's live. Well, so how to do that? I'll just show you there. Okay. So here if you see, like first of all, you go to the imcad.ac.in there, the website, and in that website, you will have this. All of you know that, right? Registered in login, you click there, and you enter user ID, password, and that's captcha code. Once you do that, what is going to show you is this applicant details, approved PDF, objection form, and candidate response. So in one question, people are saying there is some kind of problem. Would we raise the objection or not? I'll be going through that once the session is over because someone has tagged me in my Facebook group as well. I'll be going to the question again, and I'll tell. Yeah. Okay. So candidate response. So already I have put in some details here because I don't want system to hang again. So when you click here to generate, this is what it will be generated. Okay. This will be there. So you can see all the questions and the responses also, the options which you marked and which is supposed to be the chosen option and which was the correct option. So you will be given answer over here. There is 4 possible answer, also 4. So that is correct. Okay, so that is how we can go through each and every question. All right, starting with VRC and then going on. So you can just go through each and everything. This is the LRDI and it goes on like that. This is slot 2 actually. All right, that is how we can check. Well, once you do that, if you see here in the browser window, pay attention. Those who could not do that, pay attention. This, you click here and this whole thing will be, you can copy this and paste it where you will go to iQuanta score calculator here. Okay, you'll go here and after that, this is what you see, right? This, you'll just paste this entire thing over here, and once you paste and click on submit, the entire scorecard will be in front of you. So here what I have pasted, and also if you see this part, a very small thumbnail is there. You click on that, you can download your scorecard like this. So in VARC, score was 38, percentile 98.8. In DILR, score was 22, percentile was 90. In quant, it's 23, percentile 92.75. That's not me, it's one of my colleague who works with me in the content team, Rohan Raj. He has scored really well, and I think we should applaud for Rohan once. So he has done really well, right? Overall score 83 percentile, and overall percentile 83 score, but percentile is 98.6. All right, so this is how the CAT scorecard by iQuanta will look like, and and at the same time, I will also provide their cards in the 3rd week of December. Okay, so once you've done that, let's go back to the score calculator. Slot 2, score this, rank is this. This rank is dependent on how many people have submitted their scores here. 98.6 percentile, rank is this, and whatever people have submitted their scores to us. And here, if you see, so what Rohan has done here, Rohan has been very, kind of cautious about choosing his answers. 15 he has done in VRC, 15 were correct, 7 were wrong. In VR, something is there that people do not actually get what has to be the correct option. But in LRDA and quant, if you see, in LRDA, he did only 10 questions out of which 8 are correct, quant only 9 out of which 8 were correct. So even if the paper was easy as people said, still, in a way, the answering and choosing the options was very difficult. All right. So my prediction was in slot 2, that the slot that I gave, that the people will get 99.5 percentile at a score around 96. That's what my prediction was. If you watched me live that day after the CAT, I said that, and mostly it is the same. Let the scorecard of CAT also come, and then we can, kind of see that. Moreover, if you see here, personalized CAT analysis and preschool prediction. So hi Rohan Raj, congratulations. College eligibility based on your overall percentile, This is the category 1, old IMs and FMS, good probability that you're eligible. Category 2, category 3, all that stuff is there. Everything is given. Action plan, step-by-step actionable advice, prepare for GDPI, real-world examples, leadership, personal achievements, consider that as a backup option, and SRCC, GBO. So all these things are the pro tip, course recommendations. So you can, kind of go through this. Here we have SOP reviewer. In case you have applied for some colleges which require SOP, just click there and submit your SOP and it will be reviewing it totally. This is the CAT 24 toppers list. You can click there and check it. Moreover, if you see this, this is the data that we have obtained from different candidates. So I'll just give you an example. This yellow shows like 8,000, 9,000 people have responded on our website with a score ranging between 50 and around 45, 50, something like that. So based on that, we have developed this entire calculator. It's all statistical. More entries of data, better the calculator is. And here, if you see, the mean score, that is the average score in slot 1 is 55.22, in slot 2 is 47.51, in slot 3 50.84, which means slot 2 was a bit difficult than the other slots. But in slot 3, we have realized that quant was thoda difficult than slot 2. So overall, the normalization benefit, you'll be the most benefit for normalization will be obtained by slot 2 candidates and thoda sa for slot 3 candidates as well. In slot 1, the normalization benefit will not be there. So, plan your future accordingly. Median is when you arrange some data elements in ascending or descending order. Okay. So, the middle term is always the median. 56, 48, 51. By the way, median doesn't mean that it is the 50th percentile. No, because a lot of people can be at the same median score, which doesn't mean that they are 50th percentile. Max score 134 in slot 1, in slot 2 is 141, in slot 3 it was 138. So this is all about what we have obtained till now. Moreover, and also see that which colleges can call you and trade your accurate IM calls with profile details. You can click there and do that as well. Post a scorecard. Even post a scorecard if you want, just to show people that how much you have scored on the largest MBA group, that is CAT preparation by iQuanta. So the wait is over and the response sheet is out officially. There's no problem anymore. It's just that you will get a benefit of 1 or 2 marks in the normalization. In some cases, the benefit will not be there, but reverse benefit. I won't say it's benefit, it will be loss probably in slot 1. Yeah, 1 or 1.5 marks will be deducted. So we'll get to know that when IIM Calcutta actually releases your scorecard. That will be in the 3rd week of December. And after from January, you can start expecting calls. By the way, by now, whatever we have done here, it's mostly same. No, there'll be no much major shocker over there. +1, -1 will be there in the real from the real IIM scorecard. So based on that, do not waste time, do not waste 2 more or 3 more weeks. You should start preparing right away. So in case somehow you have not fared well in CAT, ZAT is the second backup option. ZAT is XLRI is a great college. If you have not filled for XLRI and you have not done well in CAT, in that case, there will be in the description box, there will be a WhatsApp group which will be guiding you to different colleges which do not require that greater percentile. And in case you have scored really well, if you have scored above 85 percentile in all the sections, start PI VAT preparation. And at iQuanta, we are doing that by this weekend. And moreover, will be coming on this YouTube channel with more such videos. I'll be discussing about what to do after CAT, what has to be done after CAT, and also how to start from PI, GD and VAT. We'll be discussing a lot of things in that as well. And so let's join hands. And so all the dust is clear now, and now people know what needs to be done over here. By the way, I'll just look at some queries. Let's see. With Divyanshu, yes, I told you that. I think that query is solved. Shovik, obviously, black eye calls are possible. You'll get at least 4 calls from 4 top IIMs out of 6. Okay. Review answer in the answer key. Raghav, I'll be doing it late tonight or maybe tomorrow early morning. But by tomorrow afternoon, I'll be ready with all the reviews of the answers that were given in VRC. There is some problem. Let's see. We'll check that. Okay. And now let me see more. Okay. So all these doubts that you have, I hope you have joined that WhatsApp group already. Yes or no? Tell me in the comments. yes or no. If no, then go and join that description box. I'll add that link again, and I'll meet you over there. Also, try to share this video with your friends who are somehow confused at what has to be done. And okay, so let's join hands and let's be together, and let's trust the process, and let's prepare for the next milestone of our futures. All right, cool. Yeah, I can see the queries. I'll answer those queries. It's impossible for one person to answer, so we have made a team. Probably you must have seen me answering those queries before this session, and now other people have taken over it, and they're answering the questions one by one. Sam, put your query over there, okay, and we'll do that. Nitin, new password मांग रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, reset कर दो password को, you'll get the access. No problem at all. All right, cool. That's it. Rhythm, just do that again. Sometimes you know what happens, the engines work like software engines work like that. The crawlers, there are programs that are called crawlers, they go inside and then they keep on doing stuff. Probably things will be settled down in 1 hour. If you check that again, whatever you get after an hour, that will be the exact score. Okay. Ananya, there is a group that we have made, the WhatsApp group, and I'll be Sunny. Sunny is my colleague. I'm just talking to him. Uh, do one thing: put the group in the link in the description, and also in the chat box, pin the comment. In the previous session that we took, we did that in the pinned comment, and before that, I took a session. In that, also the group link is there. I'll put it after the session is over in the in the description of this live video as well. All right. So let's start preparing for the next round. Thanks. नितिन हो जाएगा, फिर से ट्राई करो, एक बार थोड़ा वेट करके ट्राई करो 5-10 मिनट बाद. ठीक है, चारुदत्त, okay, I have 83 percentile. Yeah, Shillong. I think Shillong will call you. Mumbai, it's not yet clear, but I will research with my people who are there. So, I'll be getting back to you with the proper research. I won't comment right now, so I just talk to the concerned people over there. Amit, no bonus mark for slot 1. Probably the score will go down by 0.5 or 1 marks, but for slot 2 it will increase. Okay, all right then. Bye bye, take care. Reverb, yes, sure.